Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm gonna start a new series of opening Optic retail. I'm gonna redo the blaster boxes. I got 2 of the purple shock version coming, 2 of the pink parallel coming. I have some hanger boxes coming, and I have 2 versions of the mega box. This is one, and there's the other. This one has 1 auto, 1 mem. I think the other just has 1 auto. I don't remember about the number of cards. I guess I should have looked before I started this video. Anyways, this one has 40 cards in here. 10 rookies and rated rookies per box. You know what we're looking for. Mega box exclusive bronze parallels. I'm trying to think what the other mega box has. I can't remember. So as you know, the first time around when I opened this stuff, I didn't do very well. Second time around, much better. So we're gonna keep on trucking because it's just like the hottest thing on the market right now. I love football cards. I love Optic. I mean, I kind of debated like buying all of this retail stuff. I could have just bought a hobby box and called it a day, I guess. But I guess this is more fun, and really, I would assume gives me a much better chance of getting a really good silver rookie, which I've already pulled one good silver rookie. And I pulled that too, but anyways. Alright, let's do it. Deep breath. Alright, starting off with Tom Brady, DJ Shark. There's a CD Lamb Elite Series. Very nice. And Isaiah Coulter rookie card. I like the Elite Series. I assume that comes in silver too, which I wouldn't mind pulling one of those. Matt Ryan, Cam Newton. That's a bronze Kenneth Murray. And Christian Fulton. Joe Mixon. Kelsey. Are you kidding me? Wow. Bronze to holy moly. Well, I can't say I'm not pulling any Tuas anymore. That's for sure. Wow. Crazy. And then a rated rookie, CJ Henderson. Wow, wow, wow. I'm gonna guess the bronze isn't as valuable as the silver, but I don't know. We got an auto in there, so we'll sit on that, I guess. I think this is the mem card, so I'm going to check this out. Wow, I can't believe I just pulled 2 Tuas. Not just, but you know what I mean. Max Crosby, Lamar Jackson, Josh Jacobs. Okay. Wow, that looks really good. What a nice design that is. Huh. Alright, and Jason Huntley. 2 of bronze. Wow. Cortland Sutton, Bobby Wagner, Tom Brady, T-321, and Dalton Keene. Josh Allen, DeAndre Hopkins, Adam Thielen, and a Zach Moss rated rookie. Tyler Boyd, Miles Sanders, a silver Drew Lock, and Agabagawakam. Alright, we're down to the last 2 packs, and then we'll see who the autograph is. I haven't seen any major autograph pulls out of this stuff, but anything's possible. Kerryon Johnson, Chris Godwin, a silver. Quintez Cephas. Oh, nice. A DJ Dallas rated rookie. Alright. There's Josh Jacobs. Got another silver here. Is it a rookie? Is it a rookie? Is it a rookie? Isaiah Simmons. Not bad. And Logan Wilson. Man, those silvers look good. Okay. Our back card is Colby Parkinson. There's Aaron Rodgers, Derrick Henry, and Christian Fulton. Bronze auto for the Titans. But we all know the star of the show, and that would be this. Well centered, nice and clean. Looks good. Makes me excited for the other mega box and for the rest of them. A lot of people say the best format for opening Optic is the hanger boxes. I ordered a lot of 3, so I'm really looking forward to that. So anyways, be on the watch out, because on the lookout, because I've got more Optic coming. That's it. Take care. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.